Hey, I can't get this box open. It's like completely taped shut. Hello and welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today we're doing something totally different. We are doing an unboxing! Yay! I did a kitchen swap with a few of my favorite Disney YouTube friends and this is the box that I got. And first of all, it's really cute. There's all sorts of like Disney icons on there. So like there's a Sorcerer Mickey hat, and there's the Up House, and a teacup, and a castle, and a Mickey bar, and anyways, it's a really cool box. And it is from Val and her family at Singer Family Adventures. I will link them down below, as well as all the other participating channels. So let's see what awesome stuff I got from Val and her family. Once again, I must reiterate how friggin' cute this box is. I usually take my boxes and like keep them and send them to like other people when I sell stuff on Mercari, but I might just keep this for myself. I don't know. I don't want to. It feels wrong to throw it away because it's really freaking pretty. Yeah. Anyways, let's see what's inside the box. Val really did a good job wrapping this because I've been doing this for about 5 minutes trying to open it. So good job, Val. A+. It says Happy Unbirthday! And she's right, it is my unbirthday! Hooray! And happy unbirthday to you if you're watching, and it's also your unbirthday. This is very cute on the inside, and she wrapped it with this really cute wrapping paper that I also own. We both must shop at the Dollar Tree for our wrapping paper. Oh, and this card is a great big beautiful tomorrow. So I had a little bit of technical difficulties. So I'm gonna read the card again and then I'm gonna show you the items that I opened while my camera stopped recording. So it says, Sam, it's been super fun getting to know you in this crazy YouTube world. I'm not a fabulous cook like you, fake news. So most of these are items to decorate the kitchen and the cook. More than cooking items. It was super fun to buy for you. I hope you enjoy it all. Love, Val. Happy healthy 2021. Thank you, Val. I opened a couple items already, and like I said, the camera cut out, so I'll show you what I already opened. First was this Mickey Mouse utensil holder, and it's super cute. It's got Big Mickey, and then it's got 3 smaller Mickeys on the back, and then Mickey Mouse signature on the inside. And Val also got me the ink and paint kitchen towels, which are really fun and cute. I have a couple of the ink and paint, the bowls already, so I'm excited to have more of this stuff for my kitchen. Also, she got me this super fun apron. So here's my new apron, super cute, there's like little birds on it. And it looks like it's supposed to be like the Mary Poppins parrot. I can't tell, but he's super cute. And I love the bright green color. We have a new cameraman on staff today, he's learning. Okay, so I have a couple more things in here. Oh, it's a Goofy kitchen magnet with my channel name on it. Oh, thank you, he's so cute. These are ears. Oh, they're Mary Poppins ears. Oh, are these cute? And they say a spoonful of sugar. Oh, I love them. Thank you. Oh, and these are paperless towels for my kitchen. And these are all Mickey and Minnie designs on here. They're super cute. Thank you, Val. I need these because I use paper towels all the time. And then one last gift. Got me a custom cutting board. Look at how pretty that is. I'm never gonna cut on it. I'm gonna put it on a little rack in my kitchen. Oh, I'm crying. It's fine. Thank you so much for this gift, Val, and for everything you got me. These are amazing gifts. Don't forget to check out all the other channels who participated in this swap. I've linked them down below. They're all really great YouTubers. Val especially, they do a lot of unboxing, so more of the content like this if you guys like it. Thank you so much again to Val and Singer Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a magical day.